Welcome, JPAR Nation, to Lead Generation 101 until who knows. I don't know what level you're at in this lead generation game, whether you are just don't know where to start or whether you're at a more advanced level. So we're going to dive right in. There's going to be really no method to this madness, no rhyme or reason. I'm just going to start throwing things at you. And then what you need to do is pick some of these things, some of these ideas, some of these strategies, and put them into action. Okay? But before you do that, I need you to understand this principle. This is something you need to internalize right away and just ingrain it in your mind. Okay? So it doesn't matter how many leads you generate. If you want to make money, if you want to build a profitable business, if you want to give yourself a raise, the name of the game is not lead generation. It's lead conversion. So keep that in mind, okay? It's not how many leads you're generating. It's how many leads you're converting. It's not how many people you're talking to. It's about how many appointments you're setting. It's not about how many clients you're working with. It's about how many contracts you're writing, okay? And it's not about how many contracts you have out there in negotiations. It's about how many deals you're closing, okay? All right, let's dive in.